On the left side, when we click on Pages, we can see an overview of all the pages we currently have on the website. Under Main Navigation, we can see all the pages that are linked in the Main Navigation menu here at the top right in the header. And as we can see, the home page is currently not linked in the Main Navigation menu. That's why it's here under Not Linked. Now, if you wanted to add the home page to the navigation menu as well, all we have to do is click, hold, and drag it up here to Main Navigation, and then the home page will show up in the Main Navigation as well. We can also put this first by dragging this all the way to the top, and then it will come up first in the navigation menu. But I actually like it better when the home page is not linked, so I'm going to drag it back down here to Not Linked, because people will always be able to just click on the name or the logo up here to get back to the home page. And down here under Utilities, we have some more pages of the website, like the 404 page, but we don't need to do anything with these pages right now, so for now we can just ignore them.